Hello guys. This is our earliest patong variety, bamboo variety. So today, after learning on a seminar on clamping management of bamboo, so this is one of my price bamboo guys. But during Typhoon Odette, it was damaged. See, you see now. So we will clean up this one. We'll do the managing of the clamps. So we'll remove and let new shoots will come out for this bamboo. So we'll clean up. So lot of bamboos we will get on today, and we will use this also on my farm. So we are doing now the management of bamboo. As you can see guys, probably this is already 8 inches diameter pole of this bamboo, but this pull down, due to its pull down, we have to clean up this one. We will clean, we let some new shoots to, which is not damaged, new one to sprout. So whatever it is pulling down, we'll remove. And of course guys, I can use this in my farming activities. Fencing, no need for treatment. But this is really guys already matured. Maybe this is more than 6 years of age. And you can see now some, we call this up.
kay tuwa si Pikas.
Balik mo gud.
Balik sila lang. Ato na lang na puhon og kwan.
Ha?
Kanira atong targeton, makakuha tari dili ng tanan. Just man.
Guys, I cut this one. This is still young, and we are removing this. This will not get big to clean the area, so we can plant these guys. So I learned this from the seminar, how to do that. So we have now 2 seedlings for this patong.
Guys, this is only one clump that we are going to clean. So we are removing those are pulling from lot of breakdown during the typhoon. See, it's already, and this also prohibits new shoots to get bigger. So we have to remove this old broken bamboo so that we can encourage new shoots to come out, and it makes bigger. So this one are new shoots. Actually, I think this is after the typhoon. Ha? Naidabong? Naibago? Okay na na. Mudako na siya. So this is the small river, or we call creek, guys. So this is sneaking around my farm. So as my plan before, I planted the bamboos, lately the giant asper variety bamboo from Bukidnon. I will show you there. It is young, and these are my native here in Surigao. We call this we call this, guys, patong. We have also another variety here. We call that buntong. So I say that in my province, guys. So in Misamis Occidental, buntong. It is bigger than this patong. It will reach 1 feet diameter, 12 inch, 10 to 12 inch diameter pole. But this one I see maximum here, only here like this. This is the matured and pollen. That is guys, that is already almost maybe 9 inches. 9 inches. And these new shoots, because it hinders it only give this is new, so we'll keep this one. And guys, we are very careful here, guys. See, these are favorites for the snakes to live inside this. So we are careful also, but I know the noise that we make from our chainsaw makes this. They will not be aggressive, guys. Hoping there will be the king cobra. King cobra is aggressive, but some the Philippine cobra, if you will not touch them, they will not. But as we clean up the area here, so now ag diri na lang ta siguro magkuan ag atong pangwaon ning uban. So we will still cleaning this one. So our project today, as much possible, we can clean this. It's almost 9 o'clock. We have to clear those bamboo that is broken. We see it from there, and leave it those bamboos that is not broken. And all the old young, the old bamboo also, the original, we have to remove it because it will no longer come big. So we will encourage guys to have a big shoots on this patong. So I have new here, so that is because it is already crowded. So the next generation will not able to get bigger. So this is the reasons that we should do for this kind of bamboo, because this is a clumping bamboo. We need to do some cleaning. Guys, while doing the clumping management here or cleaning and remove the unwanted bamboo poles, so we found out a new shoots, guys. This is a good sign. See this, we kept this one because this is straight, so we'll just keep that one. And this is a new shoots. And guys, let's pray the devil or my neighbors. No, guys, I don't know my neighbors or who are interested on this bamboo shoots. There's a new bamboo shoots. Within 3 days, guys, we will see this will be around 2 feet, more than 2 feet. A new shoots. So we discover this one. So this is a good indication. A new big shoots will come here. Guys, our chainsaw surrender, so we have to so far we are cleaning this one. Still a lot to clear. These are pulling from the other side. That is also a patong variety, and most of the guys like this, the matured one is broken in the middle, so we have to cut this one. Also this one we have to cut. All those matured are broken in the middle, so we cannot we can harvest like this. Ito hinahin lang na ito. Muli na ito. So like this, guys. So we're able to harvest this one. It is broken in the middle. A lot of this matured is broken in the middle, so but we can still get this one, guys. So this is almost, this one is, I think this is 6 inches. I think this is, yeah, 6 inches diameter. And good news that we have a new shoot here. Hoping it will not die, because it's already cleaned up. And encouraging other shoots to come in the near future, and hope my neighbors will not steal these young shoots, which are very edible, guys. So, and the other side, this side, we already cleaned. So we just get that young bamboo. We have to experiment for planting that one. We will do seedlings. I already demonstrate you this one. This, guys. So we will plant this, and we hoping it will root. It will get some roots, guys. So I just see the techniques from our seminar, so I will try it, and hoping I can propagate more on this type of bamboo. This type of bamboo is demand in the market. This is one of our hardest bamboo, the Patong variety. Diameter pole from 8 to 10. Actually, I seen almost 10 inches diameter pole. So this Patong will go to maximum 10 diameter pole. So another variety of bamboo, which is buntong, we call this buntong, will go for 1 feet, guys, around 10 to 12. So this is already big pole, big diameter pole. So for now, we clean this one. Almost 3 hours of trying and hoping so. But I can clean the half side later on. We already, and we can remove this debris, guys. Hope, guys, you like my video. This is the Umahan ni Kiloy. Here, guys, I planted in this area. This is in half day job, not finished, and I have more than 20 Patong variety here, more than 10 years of age. And I have also another 20, which is the giant bamboo. I'll show you the giant bamboo, almost 6 years now. It is clean here. So this side is of Kajali. We need to clean also that one. This is good bamboo also. And I'll show you from Bukidnon. This is my first from Bukidnon. On the back side, that is from Bukidnon. And the river here is a river, small river called creek. Guys, as usual, guys, I need your help. Please subscribe my channel, guys, and hoping by your subscribing and the future I could picture you how we can help also the community here. We need really a job here for people. So first thing, maybe I will use for that will be cleaning this area and creating job, right guys, creating job. So we can create job, and this is after almost 1 year, guys. This is clean last year when I retire. I done also weeding here. I cut my mangyums. I think I have also still my mangyums there. I cut my mangyums and I changed. I changed with other native trees, hoping my native trees there surviving like lakal. And good guys, by good guys, let's see, happy farming guys. And guys, our God bless us all.